Hello everyone. Good morning. Happy Sunday, December 1, 2024. Nandito ako sa Central. Ito, busy. Super busy every Sunday. So, Hong Kong is very busy place, but Sunday is more busier. So, maraming Pilipino. Day of the day ng mga kababayan natin.
Emergency.
So this is Central Station. On my way to the Orange Line, but I want to buy a hand cream in Tony Moly. Yeah. Happy Sunday. So we have a lot of Filipinos day off every Sunday. The busiest one. So I am in Central Station. Walking around, exploring Central. Whew. Hello everybody. Happy Sunday, December 1. 24 days to go. Christmas na. So I'll go this way. I hope Tony Mall is open. So ready to host in a year. This one is December. November 2999. I don't know what's that. For next year. Pupunta sa airport. I'm going in Tony Moly. I need to buy a hand cream. Hi. I only have one session today. Tonight at 7 p.m. So ito yung MTR Central Station. Ang mga kababayan. Ayan na. Busy. Galing sa Tongchong area sa Orange Line. So Tony Moly, is it open? I need to buy a hand cream. They have a very good hand cream. Whew. And there's a lot of shops inside the station. Okay, yan mga kababayan. Hello. There you go, Tony Moly. Gusto kong bumili ng hand cream. There you go, I need one. Ang mga Pinay, kamag-anak niya nandito. Waiting the train.